Waffles, the red panda, and I seriously need your help. I'm endangered because, well, people keep cutting down the trees I live in. I think I have some ways you can help inspire change. Every time you use one of these paper towels to do anything, this is part of a treat right here, right then. But when you use these, you can get a pack of 3 for $2. So think, which one is the better choice, and start on that road. Wait, why am I reading this? Get all your local news on an electronic so that you're saving paper and me. So, let's give you a little problem to figure out. If you were to go home and make a fire, everyone knows, of course, you would make a fire out of these fake logs, not real logs, to save my life.